FG magnetometer, exporting surfer data to Google Earth. Open the surfer app, just continue trial, click close, click file, open, and then select .grd file, click open, click view, click fit to window, uncheck right axis, left axis, top axis, and the bottom axis. So I prefer the no labels. Now select this one, and then under properties, click coordinate system tab, click set, click geographic, and then look for the location. So I'm located in the Philippines, so I select Philippine Reference System 1992, and then click OK. And then click File, click Export, and then let's say file name is Surfer Data to Google Earth, and then save as type either KML or KMZ. So let's say KMZ, and then save the file. Leave the value as default, so click OK. And now let's open the Google Earth. And then click close. And then click file, click open, select .kmz file, click open. And then maximize. Yeah, now we have the surfer data into the Google Earth. And if you want to hide the surfer data from the Google Earth, just uncheck box, this one. And this is the site area. And this is the coordinates, the latitude and the longitude from the Google Earth. And this is the actual location of the target. Take note of the coordinates. And then this is the target location from the surfer data. Take note the coordinates. And if you notice, we have a satellite coordinate deviation from the actual target location to the surfer data target location. We can measure the deviation by using a ruler. Select this one, and then unit in meters, and then measure the actual location of the target. So from this coordinate going to this surfer data coordinates, and now we have 2.9 meters. And since I'm using smartphone internal GPS, and the GPS accuracy is 2 meters to 15 meters. So using a smartphone, we have an accuracy of 2.9 meters. Okay, next, if you want to check for the travel path, open the server again and then click the file, click open, and then select that .dat file, click open, and now we have the travel path. So this is the starting point, and then scan using a zigzag pattern, and this is the end point. So this is the north and east direction. So we have the screenshot. So this is the north direction, and this is the east direction. And if you notice that the travel path is diagonally with respect to the north and east direction. And if possible, make a scan facing due north so that the field and the scan result is parallel to the north. So like this one. Okay, I think that's all, and thanks for watching.